The CNBC Stock World Cup continues. 6 have made it through to the round of 16 so far in today's matches. 2 oil giants from the opposite sides of the world. Exxon taking on Aramco. Which one is going to give you the best total return over the course of the next 12 months? We asked the big fella, Paul Sankey from Sankey Research, his pick.
These are both fantastic companies, and Aramco probably the best oil company in the world. But having said that, in the current environment where we're bullish oil, you have more leverage with Exxon. We also think you're structurally tight refining for the next year or so, which again would be relatively more leverage in Exxon. So we prefer Exxon on a 1-year view.
Yet another big upset. The Saudis losing out to ExxonMobil. But from oil to mining, 2 other major commodity giants, Vale out of Brazil versus the Aussie giant BHP. Now, the World Cups are usually Brazil's thing, but Kevin Simpson throwing a little bit of a spanner in the works. Listen up.
My pick is BHP over Vale. I love the space. I love both companies. I love the dividends that both pay. I love the low multiples of both companies. But I think that BHP has a little bit broader diversification. The 3-year dividend growth at 34% is really powerful. The 5-year dividend growth of 31% is incredible. Yielding over 10%, I think it's cheap on a relative basis. If we get a little bit weaker dollar, the stock can do even better. So my pick for the CNBC World Cup is BHP.
I'm not too sure Australians have ever beaten Brazil at a World Cup, so we'll take it and hopefully that plays through for the other less important World Cup. BHP obviously a little bit more diversified than Vale, potentially. So we're now halfway through to the round of 16. Stay tuned tomorrow for more Stock World Cup action.